Hey, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. This is one of a series of quick tip videos that will help you get better results faster on your road to getting healthier. This is not the same old that you've always heard. Each one is only going to be about 2 minutes, but it's going to provide improvements in your health trajectory for your life. So let me ask you, do you think you're designed to be healthy or designed to be sick? Of course. You're designed to be healthy. Healthy is normal. Unhealthy or sick is abnormal. But let's think about that for a moment and ask yourself, how many truly healthy people do you know? Sickness is not normal, but it has become the norm. Now, the good news is that people are hardwired to heal. People are designed to be healthy. You are designed to be healthy. It is your default to be healthy. Every cell in your body is always trying to move towards health. Do you believe that? Here at Wellspring, our job is to restore and then help people keep the excellent health that is waiting within. If you are not experiencing the health that you want, there's only one reason why that's happening, and that is something is interfering with it. And there's only 2 things that can interfere with your health: toxicities or deficiencies or both. And as soon as we figure out what those are and reconcile them, you will be back on the road to your health goals. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. You are worth it. As they say, the juice is in the squeeze. Thank you for listening and letting us come alongside you on your journey.